Alright guys, quick tip here. Hey, how you install the red, you want to use the old hoses if you have to, and the retainer clip clamp. Always try to turn the clamp back to the same imprint that's on the hose to get a better seal on the new radiator. This is actually a Nissan we're working on a 2004 cylinder model 2.5. Just gonna let y'all know that that's a good idea to get the best seal is put it back on the same way you took it off where it get a better seal if you're gonna reuse it. Hey, like and subscribe and hit the bell. Keep it rolling, you know what time it is.